In order to find and use sketch to image on Realme GT 8 Pro, first of all, we can, for example, open the Photos app. I mean the Realme's Photos app, of course. And in this case, we're gonna just open any of the photos that we wish to edit. And let's tap on this pen at the bottom of the screen. Then we need to proceed to the AI editor, and you should be able to find AI sketch to image. Now in here, we can of course draw anything that we want the phone to generate. So for example, over here, let's say I want something like, I don't know, like maybe like a little flower or something. We will see if it's gonna work. We also have only 10 uses per day, at least right now. This seems to be kind of a limit. And let's see how it's gonna work. So I tried to draw a flower which might actually look like more like a tree or something, or maybe something else. But yeah, as you can see, the app actually tried to generate something. We can actually tap on adjust over here if we want to keep going. If you want to draw something more in here, so you can give it a try. And let's see again if this time we can get something better, because the last time the result was kinda average, I guess. But my drawing skills are definitely not the best. So maybe if you can try to draw something that looks slightly better, we can get better results. This time it actually looks like a tree. So yeah, as you can see, it works pretty fine. Now we can tap on done in the bottom right corner twice in order to then save our photo in case you want to, of course, save it. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.